Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that turns you into a product comparison ninja. Today, we're sending two mini drones into the sky to see which one will crash and burn. Figuratively, of course. On the left, we have the DJI Mini 4 Pro, aka the Sky's the Limit drone. And on the right, it's the Gleesfun G11MINI, or as I like to call it, the budget-friendly Sky Spy. Let's dive in and see which one flies higher in our books. First up, let's talk about the price. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is priced at $759. Ouch, that's the kind of price that makes your wallet hide under the couch. Meanwhile, the Gleesfun G11MINI is a much more wallet-friendly $299. That's right, folks. You could almost buy 3 Gleesfuns for the price of one DJI Mini 4 Pro. If you're on a budget, Gleesfun is already looking like a winner. Both drones weigh under 249 grams, so no FAA registration is required. That's right, no more filling out forms and waiting for approval. Just grab your drone and go! But let's be real. If you're spending $759 on a DJI, you might want to register it just so you can show it off at the drone club. Now, let's talk about camera quality. The DJI Mini 4 Pro boasts real-time aerial footage with 20 kilometers FHD video transmission. That's like having eagle vision, but without the talons. Reviewers praise its impressive 4K 60 FPS recording and 48 MP photo capabilities. On the other hand, the Gleesfun G11MINI comes with an upgraded 4K UHD camera that shoots 2.7K 50 FPS or 4K taut 25 FPS videos. Reviewers mention it's like having a GoPro in the sky and offers smooth videos. But remember, folks, no amount of camera quality will save you if you can't fly straight. Battery life is a biggie. The DJI Mini 4 Pro promises uninterrupted flights with extended battery life. One battery gives you 34 minutes of flight time, and reviewers generally find this satisfactory. Meanwhile, the Gleesfun G11MINI comes with 2 batteries for a total of 60 minutes of flight time. Reviewers love that you can fly for an hour while your DJI buddy is already back on the ground recharging. Safety first, kids! The DJI Mini 4 Pro has omnidirectional obstacle sensing. This means it can detect obstacles from all directions, making it perfect for those who have a knack for flying into trees. Reviewers are impressed with its obstacle avoidance and tracking features. The Gleesfun G11MINI, on the other hand, offers smart GPS modes like follow mode, circle mode, and waypoint mode. It even has an auto-return feature, which reviewers find to be a lifesaver for beginners. It's like having a drone that refuses to get lost, no matter how hard you try. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a newbie. The DJI Mini 4 Pro offers customizable intelligent tracking with Active Track 360 degrees. Even if you're a noob, you'll look like a pro. Reviewers find it easy to use with great tutorials. The Gleesfun G11MINI is perfect for beginners too, with a beginner mode and really responsive controls. Plus, it has a camera shield for extra durability. Because, let's face it, beginners crash a lot. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly app and overall ease of control. Both the DJI Mini 4 Pro and the Gleesfun G11MINI have garnered positive reviews, but they serve different purposes. DJI Mini 4 Pro is praised for its professional-grade camera quality, advanced features, and ease of use, although it comes at a higher price. On the other hand, the Gleesfun G11MINI is lauded for its affordability, long battery life, and beginner-friendly features, making it a great choice for recreational use. So there you have it, folks. The DJI Mini 4 Pro and the Gleesfun G11MINI both have their strengths and quirks. If you're looking for high-end features and don't mind the price tag, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and still want a feature-packed drone, the Gleesfun G11MINI is a fantastic option. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Buy Smart comparisons. Until next time, happy flying and smart buying. Product links are in the description.